see Figero get crazy. So just sit back and enjoy Figero being crazy.
Did you stop it?
No more. So now you can see it.